Now you might want to grab a pen and then where you can write in the calculator so that you solve these problems along with me. Okay, so now these are the challenge questions that we usually face in number patterns. The first one says, which term in the geometric sequence is equals to 4 over 125? What you need to realize here is that they already told you that it's a geometric sequence, so you have to remember that Tn, remember Tn is equals to Arn minus 1. Okay, and then exponent n minus 1, I mean. And then now, since they say which term in this sequence is equal to 4 over 125, they want to know which position is this term in. Okay, because here you are given the term itself, you want the position, you want n, you are given this term itself, which is 4 over 125. So you're gonna write 4 over 125 is equal to, remember what is a is the first term, which is 20. Okay, then multiply by r, and then you don't know what is the position in which this term is in. You want n, that is the one that you want. Okay, if you watched my previous video, then you will understand much better about n and tn. Okay, so now what about r? How do we get r? Remember, since it's a geometric sequence, there will be a constant ratio, which means t2 over t1 should be equal to t3 over t2, which I call right divided by left, right divided by left. So you're gonna say negative 4 divided by 20 is negative 1 over 5, and then 4 over 5, mind you, I'm putting in brackets, then divide by negative 4, you should get negative 1 over 5. So it means the ratio is constant. So you're gonna write here 20 into negative 1 over 5, and then n minus 1, and then you say 4 over 125. All right, now you are looking for n. So firstly, what you wanna do is that you're gonna have to remove this 20, and then when you divide by that 20 both sides, remember to put this in brackets. When you divide, you're gonna get 1 over 625, which is equal to negative 1 over 5 to the power of n minus 1. All right, of which, if you go into your calculator and you press 625 and then you press the equal sign, then you press shift, and then there will be a button that is written fact in yellow. You press that, then you're gonna be given 625 as 5 to the power of 4. Okay, as 5 to the power of 4. And then now here, according to laws of exponents, we can write that as 1 over 5 to the power of 4 is equals to negative 1 over 5, and then n minus 1. Now remember, 1 to the power of 4 is 1, 5 to the power of 4 is this one. That's why we apply this law of exponent. It applies this way. Now, since this is an even exponent, I can write that 1 over 5 is negative 1 over 5. Okay, so that it is the same as the one on the right. Remember, the bases must be the same so that we drop the exponents. Now, why am I saying this is true? Go and put 2 to the power of 4 in your calculator and put negative 2 to the power of 4 in your calculator. You will see that you get the same answer. So it means as long as it's an even exponent, a negative doesn't matter inside. They give you the same answer. So now you can drop the exponents and say 4 is equal to n minus 1, therefore your n will be equal to 5. All right, so that is the first challenge question there. The second one is this one. You are given that T5 is x minus 2, T7 is that, and T6 is that, and the pattern is arithmetic. Determine the value of x. Interesting, right? Well, first of all, you need to remember that for an arithmetic, there is a constant difference. It means the numbers that are following each other, when you minus them, the difference will be the same. So since this is T5, T6, T7, remember T5, T6, T7, it tells you that the term at position 5, the term at position 6, the term at position 7. Now when you say T6 minus T5, it will be the same as T7 minus T6, because it is a arithmetic. So that's what you're gonna do. You're just gonna say T6 minus T5 will be the same as T7 minus T6. Now what is T6? It's 2x minus 6. So we're gonna say 2x minus 6 minus T5 is what? X minus 2. And then T7 is what? 4x minus 8. Sorry, 4x minus 8. And then T6 will be 2x minus 6. All right, then you just simplify 2x minus x. It gives you okay, you can write it like this: 2x minus 6 minus x plus 2 is equals to 4x minus 8. Negative times 2x, negative 2x, negative times negative, positive. Now 2x minus x is x, negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. Then 4x minus 2x is 2x, negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2. Then you can take the 2x to the left, and then you say negative 4, then you take the 2 to the right. Sorry, you can take the x to the right and say minus x. 2x minus x is x, negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. Therefore, we found the value of x, right? Shall continue this in the next video.